Continuing with these arrays, I'm going to show you how we can change the content of this array up here. And in this case, we're not going to just type another name up here. We're actually going to use JavaScript to change the elements inside our array for us. And we can use this in different ways. So the easy one would just be to tell the system, I'm going to change something. So if I just wanted to change something, I can write rainbow colors. So again, remember, it has to be the exact same. So rainbow colors, and then I can just use my bracket notation again, and I want to change blue, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I type 4. And now it knows that I'm right now going into rainbow colors and the number 4, or in our one, 5th. And I want to change the value here. So equal this to your new value, so it should be purple instead. So when I would run this, and when I would actually, I can just do a console log really quick to show you. Console log, and I want to print out rainbow 4. So instead of saying blue, it should say purple, and it does. So I just here changed the value of blue to purple and printed it out. And remember, the actual hierarchy is really important. If I take this, copy paste it, after the array, it's still going to be blue when we print it. But after we print it, it's going to change it to purple. So if I do console log after this, it's going to say blue purple now. So the actual structure is important. It reads from the top to the bottom. So if you have any instructions for the system that needs to be run, you have to put them on top of whatever is running after it. So that is important. This is a very direct way of doing it. We can also use something else. So we can actually push a new item in. So instead of changing blue to purple, I just want to add purple into it. Same procedure, close to at least. So I'm just going to, copy paste. I'm just going to call the variable here, and I'm going to use a JavaScript called push. This means that I'm going to push something into the actual array. And that means I can now just use my brackets here, and I can type purple now. So if I do this, I'll just remove this because this makes no sense for me now. Console log, and this should be part of the array now. So instead of going 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm looking for the 5th one, because I now pushed an extra item into it. So again, when I run this, I'm just going to change this to another color so you can black. So now it should print out black because I'm going into the array here, but black is actually being pushed into it. So what it actually looks like is this. So that's what the push can do for us. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can use the before mentioned length to actually print out the entire array for us in a fancy way.